Hello, today we are going to install Boomi Public Cloud Atom in our account. Just make sure that our account is provisioned to Boomi Public Cloud Atom before installing that. So we have some steps to follow. I'm just going to walk through the steps. First, click on integration. So we are being redirected to the integration page. Click on manage, atom management page. So we get the option of new. Click on new, select atom. So here we get two options, local and in the cloud. So to install public cloud atom, we need to select in the cloud option. We just need to select the region. So I'm going to select USC integration test cloud. And now we have to give the name test underscore cloud. I'm giving this name. You can choose yours. Click on OK. So green message indicates that atom has been installed successfully. Click on close. So it is under unattached atom. We have to attach this to any environment. I have already created one test environment, so I'm going to attach that. Click on test. It is my environment. So it might take some time. Yeah, we see that it our atom is attached to the environment. That's how we install Boomi Public Cloud Atom. Thank you.